Welcome to AkoView Digital Services. My name is Eke Akoyi and I'm going to be taking you through lessons on how to make a simple flyer, making use of 3 applications. We have number 1, image downloader, and we have remove.bg, and we also have PixelLab. Before we continue, let's go on a short break. You are welcome back. Now, you will agree with me that if you are a good designer, you will need quality images that you are going to be using on your designs, which is the reason why we are going to be making use of the image downloader to get quality images from the internet. Secondly, you will also need to remove the background of some images so that they will fit in well into your designs, which is the reason why we need remove.bg applications. Also, finally, which is one of the most important app on this work, the PixelLab. This is the main lab where the design is going to be done. So if you need any of these applications, just go on Google Play Store and get them downloaded. Now, this is the image downloader application platform. I've just logged on to it. Here above it is where you can type to search whatever type of picture you are looking for. So these are my previous search. Now I'm going to click on the search button, and I think I will type promo. You can type whatever you are interested in. So the picture, the design I want to make is related to promo, and I'm looking for a lady or a guy who is actually making an advertisement. I think I can see a guy here, but I'm not satisfied with the picture, so I'll keep searching. I think I like this, so I'm going to get it downloaded. So you click on it. If you want to download, you click on it. This is the let me go back. I want to show you something. This is the download button, right? So once you have opened it like this, you click on the download button and you see you have it downloaded. So let me go back again and continue my search. I think, okay, I'm interested in this picture, so I'm going to click on it and also download it. So fine, you can see we are done. So any type of picture you are looking for, just type it here like we said earlier, and then you have it downloaded. Are we together? Since I also want to make use of MTN logo, because I'm forming a flyer for MTN data subscription, so you see I can easily also type MTN on the, are we together? I can type MTN. So here we go, MTN. Then here you search. Are we together? Then you can see a whole lot of MTN MTN network. So I think I'm okay with this. I like it. So I click on it and then I have it downloaded. Are we together? So I think we are done with this app now. So let's proceed to the next application, which is how to remove backgrounds. Okay, this is remove.bg application. Here is where you're going to click on to upload the picture you are about to remove its background. I've clicked on it and I will choose photos, right? So here you can see the pictures I downloaded. They are all here. So I'm going to click there, and the first one here, I'm going to click on it now to select. You can see that actually came with a white background, but it has been removed now. You might not notice it actually because of the background was white. So you click here to download the one that the background was removed. That's what we just downloaded. Okay, so let's go back. Then we are going to click here again to upload the next picture. Are we together? So I go again, photos, then I go to my download again. So if you see this lady here, I'm going to pick that now. We also have the background removed. You can see what I'm saying. So the background has been removed as well now. and then you click on this button to download. But if you notice, there's something here that was not removed, so we walk around it when we're about to use the picture, but you can see every other place is removed. So you download the picture as well. Let me go back and show you something else very interesting before we proceed. If you look at this place, you are going to see edit. If you click there, it's going to give you another thing entirely, a platform where you can actually edit or make backgrounds, different backgrounds to this particular picture. If you look carefully, let me take you through here. Look below. I'm just scrolling. So all these backgrounds you are seeing, anyone you are interested in, you can just click on it, and even your personal pictures, you can have it edited using this. So let me just, for example, I can click on this, right? You can see the picture now. You can actually download it. Are we together? So you can keep changing. You can see the picture now, right? So you can keep changing the backgrounds as much as you're interested in. But let me go back. I think I may like something like this for our design. So let me pick that, and then I'm going to save. You can see, if you look carefully, you are going to see something here. Let me show you. This is where you click on to download the picture. So you click on download image. Are we together? So we have it here. So you see, we can also have this removed. You can see it's now removed. So we have also downloaded it. So now let's go to the proper app where we are going to put the design together, which is the PixelLab.
Are you the type that use your Android phone only to make calls in this 21st century? Do you always feel bad about not being able to walk yourself through the media? Acoville Digital Services teaches you how to effectively make use of your Android phone, how you can navigate yourself through the internet and exploit it fully to your advantage. We provide you best and latest updates on apps. We review and teach you how to use many applications effectively to maximize their full potential. We also provide mentorship for many students on how to ship from the abroad and make effective sales online. Subscribe to Acoville Digital Services today.
Welcome to PixelLab. PixelLab is an amazing application where you can do a whole lot of things. You can create logo, your personal logo, company logo. You can do a whole lot of things here. You can create a flyer just like we're about to do. You can do a lot of designs here, but time will not permit us to actually go in detail. We'll take our time maybe in our subsequent lessons to make videos on how to make use of this application. But to take you through a little bit, this is anything that has to do with here, the text editing, the text font, and a whole lot of things there. So if you also look at here, plus, as you want to add a new design, text, current date, whatever, you can just look through. We may not have time. This is where to save, right? If you click there, this is where you save your project. So if you also look at, this is where you share, and this is where you see some text, pre-formed text that you can make use of on the application. So now this is what we're talking about. Some texts are here that you can choose and make use of any. You can just click on, for example, I've chosen this now. You can see the text is appearing here. So we also have, this is where if you click here, it's going to give you, the, what do we call it, on how perfect you can set either on the middle. You should know your text is on, like if I'm setting this now, you see this is grid. So if you click on it again, it's gone, but it shows you how to centralize your designs. So again, we have, this is, if you click there, you are going to see a lot of things like full screen image from your phone and many things, right? So if you come below here also, like you see, these are pre-designs. You can click on anyone, you see, anyone you want to make use of, you see. So these are themes that you can actually make use of. You can make use of blank to start your designs afresh. You see, we have, you can just navigate around the platform yourself. Let me click on this capital letter A. it actually has to do with text. So if you click here as well, right, it has to do with many things, how to import pictures or images from your designs, how to shapes and many things, right? So like I said earlier, we're not learning how to use this app today. This is just to give you a simple way you can put out a flyer, right? So now let's go to, you can either make use of this place to bring on picture, or you can make use of import. Another place here, if I'm clicking, I just click here. Are we together? I just click on this sign like copy symbol. So from gallery here, you can click. So I'm going to click on this from gallery, right? So this is where we are we together? So now I'm going to click on images here. So remove.bg, where we have the pictures, but I think I downloaded some pictures earlier, which we actually remove the background to the remove.bg. So let me show you why it's important to remove the background, right? Let me go on the download. Are we together? Let me go on the download. So I'm picking this image, for example. So you can see this is, let me remove this. I'm going to click on it and delete. This is also how to delete. So if you look at this image now, I made use of from gallery, and it's occupying everywhere as what? As a background. So another way to bring it is by making use of where I show you earlier. I just click here, right? Click here, then you click on import, right? But before then, let me go back and have that particular one I put there deleted, or I will change the background to what? To white. The picture is gone. So let me go back again. I'm going to click on import this time. Are we together? I want to show you the difference as well. And then this time I'm going to bring in this. So you can see what happened now, right? So do you see the difference? From the gallery is going to occupy the screen, and then if you are bringing it from import, it's going to give you this opportunity to what? To drag the picture to wherever you want, and to expand or what? Making use of, just hold here and you expand then, or you compress. So you can place the picture wherever you want it. Now again, let's go and import. You click outside, then you go and import the next picture. But where I want to import now is actually one of the pictures that we remove the background. So I'm going to click on the remove background. Then I'll bring in the same picture where we have the first background removed. If you notice, this one does not have background. This was the one I gave background when I was looking at the other things we can do on that remove.bg. So this, we have the background completely removed. Now I want you to compare the two pictures. You can see this one has the background removed, this one does not have the background removed. So you can see the reason why you cannot actually use this. By the time you want to make use of this, it's going to be covering your design. There's something I want to show you again. This application is very interesting. You can bring to front to back. You see what I mean is that this one I'm clicking on, I can bring it to the front of this particular one that I removed the background. So let me say to front. Click on the back one, then you say to front. You can see this one is on the front now. If you want to bring this one back to the front, you can just click as well. You can see, you can swap. So I don't need this one, I'm going to delete it. So I'm going to delete it, and then I will fix this here. Let me make it a little bit larger. I'm going to increase it again, right? So I'll fix it here such a way that this starts from the beginning. Are we together? So I will click outside. You can see I have fixed this, isn't it? So I'm going to import the next picture, that of the MTN. So I will place it above. Maybe I can reduce. Now there's something I want to draw your attention to. You have to be very creative. This, when we remove the background, was not completely removed. So I want to make use of this MTN now, right? I will just place it there somehow in such a way that it blocks, because I don't want to see that remaining of what? The background that was unremoved. So I think I've successfully placed that also, you see. So now the next thing I'm going to bring If you notice also, you're going to see something here that came along with the picture is a writing. I don't need it. From here you can actually make use of either shapes to cover it. So let me see, maybe I will make use of a cycle. That cycle, so you can actually give color to this cycle, you can see. So you can keep changing, you can do a whole lot of things to this, you see. So but I'm not interested in doing so many things to it. I'll just reduce it and then I'll come and place it here. Are we together? So you can see I've successfully blocked that writing there such that it doesn't appear. Now the next thing that we want to do is to import, I think this particular picture here, promo. Then I'm going to import it as well. While importing, you can resize before you bring it here. So but I'm not interested in doing all those things, that's why I'm skipping. So I don't know where to place it. I think it's fine there. Now I want to make some writings on this down here. So I've already put in down some write-ups, so I will just go and copy it and then bring it and place here. Are we together? So let me go back to my WhatsApp. I think to my WhatsApp. I think I have a group that I call my group. So here I think I have some write-ups here. Here you can see. So you can just copy it. But before we copy it, there's some, I think like the Naira sign. A lot of us might not know how we came about it, and some phones does not have it. So what I did was to go to my browser, Chrome browser. I now wrote symbol sign. Naira symbol. That's not correct. Naira symbol. Are we together? So you click. If you notice, it's going to give you this. You can just click on something like this and then you copy it. By the time you copy it, you can go and place it wherever you need it. Like here now, I can place it here. I can paste it here. So I'm copying my design here, right? I'm copying my, what am I calling it? I've already written this down such that it will make it easy for us. So I'm going back to my PixelLab design. So now this time I'm going to click on maybe I'll make use of this positive sign. I think that's where you have the writings. So text, I choose text. Are we together? So you can see it has appeared. So you can just click on the pen here now to edit it. Are we together? I'm clicking on the pen. So you click on the pen again. So you can see new text. So I'm going to paste all that I brought. Are we together? So I actually wrote this down so as to make it easy. Do you know that you can write these things with style, and you can write them separately so as to provide you with, are we together? But I have to do it at once. I've gone back so that I will edit. You understand? So just to make it simple, just to show you. So now you see, you can change a whole lot of things here. Let me bring it down a little bit. I think let me bring this down a little bit too, and this down. I think I'm interested in making another write-up on the top, like the data company name. So if I click here, I want to click on the text again. So then this time I'm going to click on the pen and edit. This time around I'm going to write View Digital Services. So you see I have it there. I have it at the top, View Digital Services. Now let's look at how to add beauty to the writings, right? So I will click on the View Digital Service. I go back to edit. Okay, now by the time you click on the, for example, you want to edit that View Digital Services, you want to add beauty to it, I think this is where you are going to come, the A here. If you click on it, you see we have styles here. Like I told you, this is an interesting app. There are a lot of things there. We click on styles. Let me go to browse. Are we together? Let me go to browse. So say let me make use of, I think this is fine. Don't know if it's okay with you, but I think I like it, so I'm done with that. You can see how I just changed that. So on this main write-up, I think I may not make use of styles. There are a lot of things you can edit. Let me go to, you can, the text size, you can increase, you can see increase or decrease it. So you see, so I will leave it just the way it is, just the way it is. So you mark when you are done. And then the color of the writing, so you can edit it. So I think I would prefer to leave it as it is, black, just to show you the texture of the stuff. You can even add picture from your gallery, so but I don't want to do that now. And the writings too, if you want to curve any one of them, let me click on this, the one above, so that I will curve it and you will see. So like this one now, if you enable this, so by the time you go down, are we together? Do you want to curve it in or out? So you click on the one you want, you see. So you can keep exploring. I don't want, so that's why I'm canceling it. I'm not interested in it. So you can do a lot of things. I think this is the main curve. This one you can just, you see, you can do a whole lot of things, you can see. So I'm not interested in curving it once again, so I go back. So if you are very smart, you can just go to the app and begin to explore, begin to make use of these things, and then you see how each and every one of them will work. So let me go back. I'm going to click on the main write-up, and I think if I want to add anything to it, then I think background. So let me click on this place so that I will see how I can affect the background color. Right, you can see where I'm just following. So this one is a whole background to your design. Are we together? If you like it like this, I don't know if it's fine, but I think it's okay. I think it's okay, only that some things are not showing up, like the promo I have there is not showing up. So maybe in this case, let me try to import that one that I did not remove the background. Right, so I've clicked on it. I'll click on reselect below here, reselect. So I'm going back. Then this time I want to bring on the one that I downloaded fresh. This one, did I remove this one's background? So you see, you can see something, right? So it's now showing, so I just try my best to make sure that now that the background of the design is red, maybe we can work on how to make this writing to be white, the color of the writing. So I will go back to this place again, then I will look at this color, I will make it white, so I will mark. I think we've done a wonderful job. I don't know if you like it, but I think I'm done with my design here. So once you are done, you come to this place to save. You come to this place, like I said, to save. So you click on it, then you save as image. Save as project, it will mean that it will be somewhere as your project. Anytime you come in again, you can edit it. Are we together? So you can save this as image. Let me first of all save as project. You save as project, then you can put the project name, AcoView. Right, once you have saved as a project, you can now come back and save as image. Are we together? So I will advise you save as image and save as project before you save as image. Then I'm going to click on save to gallery. Right, so once you are done saving this, just go back to your file manager, to images. Here is your work. Are we together? Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, AcoView Digital Services. Thank you once again, and see you some other time. Bye.